Hey guys, SUYOON here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unwrapping a jacket I got from Palace. Last Friday was Palace Autumn Week 1 drop, and they came out with a lot of fire. In that drop, there was one item which I was really hoping to get, which was the ripped Coach jacket. It came out in 3 different colorways, which was black, white, and navy, and it had a tri-fur with the lion, or I believe it was tiger, that was popping out of the logo itself. Fortunately for me, I was able to pick it up. I got it in size large in color white. So let's go ahead and open it up. Believe it or not, this is my first Palace drop, so I'm actually pretty excited to unwrap this to see how they come and how they deliver. So let's open up. So it came like this. It came with the Palace plastic bag, and then you could see the Coach jacket inside. So I'll go ahead and open this up too. The bag has the Palace logo and the jacket. Along with the jacket, they came with the Palace receipt and the Palace tri-fur logo. It's not black, it's white. I think it's pretty clear. This is the first tri-fur logo I have for Palace, so I'm pretty excited about this. Let's take a look at the jacket itself. Now, if you look at the jacket, again, this is the Coach jacket. So it has, instead of the zipper, right now it has the buttons. It's pretty much a plain white jacket. I expected this jacket to be more thin, but it actually is pretty thick, 2-layered, and inside you're gonna see a gray lining inside, which we'll get to later. Pretty much it's a white jacket with a tri-fur logo, with a tiger that's pretty much popping out. They color the tiger in blue, and in the back it pretty much has the big tri-fur logo with, again, the tiger pretty much coming out of the tri-fur logo in the middle. I think the design of the tiger and the actual tri-fur where it's coming out of, I think is really dope. I actually like the color of the tiger. Instead of being black or typical color, it's actually blue, so I really like the color they chose with the black tri-fur logo. The tri-fur itself is embroidered, so it's not a printed, so it's actually pretty good material, and it actually feels good. It's not gonna be something where you wash and it's gonna start peeling off or chips off or anything like that. It actually is embroidered on, which is awesome. Even in the front, it's not a print. Again, it's embroidered into the top left corner right here. So let's go ahead and open this jacket up and see the inside. The inside is pretty much lined in with the gray. I like that color as well. Again, it's pretty 2-layer, which makes it actually pretty thick for a Coach jacket. In the inside pocket here on the left side, there's a zipper which kind of goes alongside of it here instead of the pocket here. Drawstring here to pretty much loosen and tighten the jacket at the waist level. There's a stretchy band for your wrist. This jacket is pretty good wear for pretty much spring, fall time when it's not really super hot. Now, as I mentioned, there was 3 colorway: black, white, and navy. I personally wanted to go with the white one because I don't have white jacket, but I am pretty concerned whether this is gonna get dirty or not. Hopefully I'll be able to maintain and keep this clean. But I like the fact that it's gray inside, and again, it's pretty heavy for what I expected. The drop actually went pretty smoothly. I got on at 11 a.m. Eastern time, logged into the site, went to shop, and found the Coach jacket that I wanted to buy. I selected a size large, so I think the large kind of gave me more extra time to check out, and then put in my information, and I got it. So it was actually pretty easy process and very less stressing than other drop that I have gone through. I went with size large from the fact that I've been told that Palace run a little small, so hopefully this fits it fits me when I put it on. It's jacket, so I'm okay with a little loose fit. I could always layer up, put a hoodie on, and then put this jacket on, so I want it to be a little larger than small. That being said, again, I'm pretty excited about this jacket. I love the logo. I love the simplicity, just pure white and the logo in the front and the big logo on the back. This is the first time I got Palace, and this is pretty much my first piece of clothing from Palace itself, so I'm pretty excited about this. I always have my eyes on Palace, and I try to get some accessory before, which I failed, but this time I was definitely able to get this one on week 1, so I'm pretty excited, and I'm actually excited for all the other items that's supposed to be releasing for the autumn winter 2019 Palace. That being said, let's wrap it up. I'll put this on, show you guys a little fit. We'll wrap it up.